Before I get in this content, I would greatly appreciate it if you like this video. Stop what you're doing right now. Like the video, please. It would really help this channel grow tremendously. And to subscribe to the YouTube channel and be sure to tick that bell icon so you don't miss any tutorials. What's going on, guys? Chris Ramirez here, coming at you in this quick shot tutorial on how to remove backgrounds from whatever image that you're trying to remove the background from. Okay, so pretty much what you do is you log into Canva. The quickest way to log in is to just log in with your Facebook account. Okay, it's that simple. All right, and I'm gonna tell you right off the bat, you need the pro account to do this. Okay, all right, now if you know you're going to be doing this often, it's only $12 a month, guys. That's a steal. That's not going to break the bank, especially if you're going to be doing this often. Okay, so I pay the $12 a month, and so you should be able to as well. All right, now if it's going to break the bank, I don't have to tell you. Find another video that's not going to charge you, but Canva charges $12 a month, so I'm going to get that clear out the way. So let's get right to it, okay? So now that I'm logged in, we're going to go ahead and click on Create a Design. And you got video, post, presentation, logo, poster, flyer, Facebook post, all that good stuff. We're going to just edit a photo. We can even import. Let's try import file. We're going to import a file. You can edit a photo, import a file. I'm going to choose from, let's see here. Let's see if it does it for my nephew's picture right here with effects going on behind it. It should. It's pretty accurate. Okay, and it should load up the next page. All right. Let's see. All right, so it's loading up the page right here. It may not because he's got all these effects, but if not, we'll try the next image right here. We'll go click on it, and we're gonna go ahead and use in a design. Click on using the design. Now you can create it from scratch and all that. Follow the prompt, but I just want to show you the functionality that it takes the background out the image. Okay, now once it's loaded up, what you do is you actually just click on the image. It looks like it's already showing actually, and you hover over here. It says edit image. Click on edit image, and you have it right here, BG remover, which stands for background remover. You click on it, and it's going to process it. There might be a bad example because there's a lot of effects going on in this image. We're gonna see. It cut off some of his hair, but you get the gist of it. Okay, so that's one example of removing the background right there. Okay, I'm gonna show you one more, and then we'll move on along with it. One thing you got to remember, if you want to keep it to where the background's removed, this is a very important, crucial part. Pay attention. When you click download, you have to click transparent background, otherwise it's gonna just download the image with a white remainder, and you don't want that. You want it to be fully transparent, so you have to make sure that transparent background is checked before you click download. Okay, so that's one. Okay, let me do another one. Let me X out of this. It opens in new pages. Okay, let me go X this out. We're gonna do another one. Okay, we're gonna do this one. You can import the image. You know, it's straight in your face, straightforward. It's real easy to understand. We're going to use in a design. Okay, and then what you do now that the picture's already loaded, it's already showing these functions right here. But if you don't ever see them, say it's showing something else, you just click on the image, and then it should pop up these functions right here. And it's just like last time. Click on edit image, go to background mover, click on it, and it's going to process it. Takes out the background. And remember, I'm reiterating again, to maintain the transparent background when you click download, all right, you want to make sure you check transparent background. That's the only way it will be a true transparent background. All right, and obviously you want to name the design appropriately, which you can do right here. You just click in this area and you name the design appropriately. I'm gonna just name it YT test, YouTube test, and that's done. And I can click out of it, and that's what it's going to be named. All right. So like I said, again, before you go to download it, click transparent background so that it is a true transparent image. Okay, that way it's just this, and everything else will be transparent, whatever you overlay it on, whether it be a video or another image of some sort. Okay, guys, and that's how you do it. All right, that being said, I greatly appreciate if you like this video. It would help the channel grow tremendously. Please stop what you're doing. Please, 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 please stop what you're doing and like the damn video, please. It really helps the algorithm, helps this channel get pushed out to more people to help them understand what to do. Now, if you are really wanting to use the Canva, you really love its functionality, just get the Pro account. It's only $12 a month. That link will be in the description, okay? Go ahead and click that first link in the description, and the link will also be in the pinned comment of the video in the comment section. Do leave comments if you have any requests of any other tutorials. Leave that in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Y'all be blessed,